Yes.
Okay, guys. So we were here to confirm that commissioning and operational personnel are adequate trained. So do we have OEM trainings? Review the commissioning procedures and confirm procedures have been prepared. So that we have discussed now. Commissioning is done. So commissioning procedure, confirm adequate procedures have been prepared and done. Normal operation, yes. Okay. So review the safe work practices, procedures, completion, and workforce. Site safe work practices have been considered. We had no HSE plan. That's okay. This is also okay. No major concern. Review the assurance of. Okay, so guys, where are we on the training? Did we conduct the training, OEM training?
Yes, one session has been conducted already,
Yeah.
and another session is. Niaz, when it is scheduled, by the way?
You and ensure the level of 10%.
It is in November.
In organized activities, eligible rise potential hazards and the road is moreover. Install knowledge regarding the minimum PP requirement. This is correct. OEM experts are part of the project OEM expert and one training.
In July, I think it was in July, if I'm not mistaken.
Sorry?
The training, the first session, Niaz and Iqbal, Ashok. You were there in the training.
Yeah, one second. Let me check.
I think it was in July, if I'm not mistaken.
Training.
And who are the participant? Operation and maintenance?
29th, 7th
Yes.
of July.
29.
29.
So July.
Yeah. 29 and 32 days training we have done.
And who are the participants? Operation and maintenance?
Yeah, maintenance
Yes.
only.
No operation?
No, operation is not involved in this because we have did
No.
maintenance.
No. They were invited. Now, whether
invited,
attend or not,
but
that's another story.
Yeah,
Fine.
they are.
I mean, because we are talking about what we have done.
Attendees they asked this. So
Yeah.
political team
Okay.
only attended that.
So guys, I need 10-year record.
Yeah, we have.
We have.
So that is
Shall I?
continuing.
Okay.
Send that
So you can give me the number later on.
Mr. Chairman, this item number 5.1.
Yeah.
Still, we are waiting for maintenance and shutdown procedure from the AG Port.
Yes. So what we have
and
because
it
we
is
have to
already